Hello everyone, in the course of this video I'm going to be solving this question. Now let's go. It says the atomic numbers of two elements x and y are 12 and 9 respectively. The bond in a compound formed between the atoms of these two elements is ionic, B covalent, neutral, coordinate. Now this question is just asking us the bond that will be formed when an element x having an atomic number of 12 and an element y having an atomic number of 9, what bond will be formed when they come together as a compound. Okay, now let's go. It said x has atomic number of 12, right? Yeah. Y has atomic number of 9, as you can see. Now let's draw the electronic configuration. 12 will be, it will have three shells now, K, L and M. Yeah. So filling the first one electron, I have 1, 2. Then yes. Then filling the L shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then filling the L shell, 1, 2. Now if you count everything, it will be 12. But now if you take note of these two needs to be given out. These two electrons need to be given out in order for this element to be stable. So therefore 2 need to be given out. So 2 is the valency of what? Element x. Now moving on to element y. Since it's 9, we have two shell. We have 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it needs 1 to complete 8. It needs 1 to be octet to obtain a stable electronic configuration. So therefore this element y needs 1. Why this one needs to give out to be stable. Now let's define this bond. Now what is ionic bond? Ionic bond is the sharing of ionic bond, also known as electrovalent bond, is a transfer of electrons. This bond deals with elements of opposite charges coming together, i.e. metal and non-metals. Now take note of this. If I have magnesium and chloride ion, now when they want to combine, won't they change valencies? MgCl2, magnesium chloride will be the compound form. Same with this, because the question says the bond in the compound formed between the atoms of these two elements. So if I were to join these two elements, you give me what? XY2. Why? Because I'm interchanging their valencies, and this has to do with what? Ionic bond. So the answer here is ionic bond. Why? Because there is what? Interchanging of valencies, and also the combination of elements of opposite charges, i.e. a metal and a non-metal. Now this covalent bond is just the sharing of electrons, and neutral and coordinate bonds are under what? Covalent bond. So the right answer to this question is ionic bond. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.